انت مسجل يا حبيبي؟ والله البرنامج هتلاقيه تبع انا مجرب وانا عملت كذا مرة.
Okay,
مش
so
مسجل ولا
because I
فصل
cannot
ولا فصل
find
عندك؟
where I can modify, so now I make the record. I make the record. Later,
Okay.
Punchy send to you.
Okay.
مش مسجل يا ابني؟
So we
Okay.
continue.
والله دلوقتي.
Yes.
Okay, we continue to density. So density first
Okay.
column I teach
Is
you
looking. Yes.
is knitting density. And we in our program we just put the segment. Different structure put different segments. Then on the machine I can put the different density value. Okay, so this is knitting. Second column is transferring. So from here to here, no need transfer. Yes, from here, this line. Also, we need transfer. So how to setting transferring density? From starting to desired finish. Whole column, put number, because in our training center, we always use number 10 is for transferring density. So I put number 10.
I take the
We
whole
always
column.
Yeah, whole column, put number 10.
Okay.
we always make the density for transfer one number, or
Yeah.
we can change
Change, you
number,
can change,
make two
not
numbers.
fixed, not fixed. I told you in our training center, fixed number 10 is transferring color. You can change 21 or 22, anyone, because we totally have.
We can make to transfer two number or two color, or not.
How is possible make two color? Color from 1 to 128. You can choose any one. You can choose 23. Put 23 not means action. From transfer to back. This is not no any action. 23 means 23 segment. This one you understand. So I told you this color decide up to you. You can change, not fixed.
Yes, this is for transferring density.
Yes, transferring density.
Okay.
Do you have a specific number to knitting density? A specific number or a specific color?
What's the specific color?
I mean, you should use the color 1 or 2 or 3 or 4.
Yes, if you never touch the knitting, you can follow me. Locking use 1, jersey use 2, starting rib use 3, tube use 4, rib use 5, the rib last row use 6, body use 7, transferring use 10. You can write it down and remember it.
Okay. طب حميدي قصدها ان كل رقم ليه حاجة، الجيرسي واللوكينج
فاهم، بس انا في النيتنج بستخدم ارقام معينه، يعني من 1 لكده نيتنج بس. اصل كده شغاله دايما بتقول لك ل 10 ل 23 في الترانسفير. هل دول ارقام محددين ولا لا؟ انا ممكن اختار اي رقم، فاهمني؟
Okay. In transferring density, you use 10 and 23. It is a specific 10 or 23, or I can use any number.
Any number. I told you, totally 128 segment. You can choose any one. This is up to you. You can decide.
Okay. بقول لك انت تستخدم اي واحد منهم، مفيش مشاكل. من 1 لغاية
اوكي.
من 1 لغاية 128 تقدر تستخدم أي واحد فيهم. Okay.
Next one, speed. So speed same. When you're knitting, locking, what's the speed? When you're knitting, read, what's the speed? So we also need settings or segment. Speed value also control set it on the machine. Machine is control. So here, first column, knitting speed. Second column, transferring speed. Like the 7. First column, control knitting speed. Second column, control transferring speed. So this speed in our program only setting the segment. Speed value also setting on the machine. Understand?
Okay.
So also we have the here. Did you see here speed? This button?
Yeah.
So you click this button, then wait a moment. Then go in. Oh, this is density. What's the problem? Click the speed button. Go in motor speed setting this window. Also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our machine speed maximum is 120. From 0 to 120 speed value. Understand?
Okay. Yes.
So if you want to low speed, number is small, 20, 35. If you need high speed, you can put 90 or 100 or 80, anyone. Understand?
Okay.
So normally,
how can specific the speed value from program?
same, 7
Okay.
density. 7 density finish, you just click this true. Density copy. Density copy. First, you need to finish the density. Knitting density and transferring density, you need finished. Finish, then click the density copy. They will automatically copy 9. Speed, here. 10. Batching. Batching is roller.
Yes, it's from 1 to 8. From 1 to 8,
Yes.
it means any action have a specific speed, right?
Yes.
And
So
meeting
for speed, 1 is locking speed, 2 means jersey speed, 3 means starting rib speed.
okay.
We use the same segment, different
Okay.
meaning.
How
For
about 4 and
density,
5,
controls
6?
the density value. For speed, controls the speed value. It's different.
Okay. How
And
about
batching,
the
roller.
the other column 9 and 10, about 17, 18, we have 25 and 26. This column refer to what? Speed of what?
Now I teach you 9. You wait. I will one by one introduce.
Okay.
I will one by one introduce 13, 14, 15, 16. You need to follow to me.
Okay.
Now I ask you 9, 10, 11, you understand or not?
Okay.
هي جت مش هتلاقي كده.
مش عارف.
Next one. 13.
هو الشاشة عندي ثابتة، انت الشاشة عندك ثابتة؟ بقول
So
لي على
I
الشاشة
repeat
ثابتة.
again. 7 density segment finish. Click the density copy. Software automatic copy
do you
to
change
9, 10, 11, 12. No need to change. If you change speed, use another group segment. 10, you need another group segment. So you need to remember a lot of segments. So I can use same segment.
Okay.
13. 13, first column means rotary distance. Second column means talk with Jacka. So for first column, rotary distance, number 1, this is default number. No need your setting.
can you back to the program? We don't have
Because the speed picture is still in our laptop now. Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Okay,
So
continue,
13 totally 2 column. First column means rotary distance. Second column means talk with Jacka.
Okay.
First column, rotary distance. Default number is 1. No need change. After this one, after combine, number 1 automatical setting. Software automatical set number 1 in the 13 column. So this line no need to change. Second column, later I will introduce when we study the Jacka.
Okay.
So what's the rotary distance? It means distance between the position of the carriage changed direction and the first needle of the knitting arrow. So when I carriage from left to go right, after they will return back. Yes, carriage will return back. So you just remember rotary distance, default number 1, no need you change. 14, later we study. 15, yeah, first. Yeah, first. This is very important to us. 15. Totally have the 7 columns. Totally have 7 columns. First column represents single system machine.
Yes.
Second column represents double system machine. Third column represents 3 system machine. Fourth column represents 4 system machine. 5 column feeder in. 6 column feeder out. Last column represent feeder direction. Did you write down?
Yes. One for single and two for double. And
First,
three
first column single, second column double, third column three system, fourth column four system, fifth column feeder in, sixth column feeder out, seventh
and
column feeder direction.
okay.
So very important. Now I teach you. If your machine is single system, how to set in feeder. So if your machine just one system, every time carriage can take the one feeder. Yes. From left side, go right, carriage take one feeder, then return back. Just every time just take one feeder. So if every time just take one feeder, single system. So how to set in feeder? Do you remember from here to here? Yesterday I teach you this is West Asia.
Yes.
Yes? Yes or not?
Which one? The West year?
Yeah, yeah.
Here,
Yes. First one is double West year.
this
First.
is West Asia. So West Asia, we must use one feeder. Yes? From here to here is production year. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
After here, again, West Asia. So, how to set feeder? West Asia, one feeder. Production year, one feeder. We total have the 16 feeder. Yes? Left side 8, right side 8. So, number 1, West Asia. Then after its production year, you can choose anyone. Number 2 or number 3 or number 5 or number 6, anyone. I choose number 3. Is production year. After again, finishing year again, use West Asia. So put number 1. Feeder setting, understand or not?
Yeah.
If your rib color and border color is different, so rib use another feeder. Understand? If your rib and your body different color, so you need use 2 feeder. One is control body, one is control rib. Understand?
Yeah.
If your machine is double system machine, every time take 2 feeder. So if every time take 2 feeder, how to set in feeder? Normally West Asia, we use 1 feeder. If you use 2 feeder, you can put. This is double system machine. 2 feeder knitting West Asia. 2 feeder knitting production. Yeah, like this. This is one method for double system machine.
On the machine double system machine, we use 2 column.
Yes, because double system will have two systems. One system take one feeder, so I can use two feeders same time to knitting.
Yeah. One column refer to one system number one. Two column no, column number two refer to system two.
Like this.
That's right.
One system take one feeder.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
is one method how to set in the feeder. Second method. I can put like this. 1 7 1 7. Transferring without feeder. Like this. This row I use 1. This row I use 7. Also is double system. 1 7 1 7. Rib. I use one feeder. Broadway I can use two feeder. Like this. This is second method for double system machine. Understand?
What about feeder in, feeder out?
Feeder in, feeder out. This is used for machine with comb. If your machine without comb, we don't use. Feeder in, feeder out. And the last feeder direction. First, we set in the feeder. After we come by here. Save path and file name. Here, module options. We choose first one, system default. And here we choose in chunks. And after, according to your system, if your machine is 1, you choose one system. If your machine is 2, you choose two systems. Then click combine. After combine, here, last for 15, last column, they will automatically setting arrows. Yeah, 2 1 2 2 1 1 2 2. So this is double system. Two feeder together go right. Two feeder together return to left. After here, I just put one feeder. So one feeder go right, one feeder go left. Repeat. Then again, from this line, two feeder together go right. Two feeder together to back to left side. So this is for double system machine. Double system machine. After combine, last columns show you double 1, double 2. If your machine is single, just setting one feeder. Last column, they will show you 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is a feeder. Single system, how to set in feeder. Double system, how to set in feeder. Single, one feeder. Go back. $15, okay or not?
Okay.
16, yeah, 2. This column, 16. Also, we need setting feeder, but this always used for adding nylon. Nylon, do you understand what's the nylon? Nylon. Like the lacquer. Nylon.
Nylon.
Yeah, nylon. If you are structured with nylon, so nylon feeder, we need setting in the 16. Nylon feeder. So if your rib with nylon feeder, I use 6. So 6 feeder setting in the 16. So here, 2 feeder together knitting. One is production yarn, one is nylon feeder. 2 feeder together knitting. And nylon feeder, we must use white feeder. Understand or not?
Yeah, I understand, but why nylon have another yarn?
Nylon also is another kind of the yarn. This is because we have a lot of yarn, cotton, woolen, yes, acrylic, lots of yarn. Nylon is another kind of the yarn. So if your production yarn with nylon, so nylon we must use another feeder. That feeder we use white feeder.
Is this option for nylon only?
Yeah,
Yeah,
nylon only.
that's
Yeah,
right.
yes. If your design without nylon, so no need 16. Just use 15. Only use 15. No need put feeder in the 16. Okay. 17 we don't use. 18 we don't use. 19 yarn feeder stop point. This also is default number. Default number. No need you modify. 20 end mark we must use because one program finish. Last row we just setting right click. One means end. So means if I put 1, means your program is finished.
Right. This is the end of my program structure.
So for any program must have end mark, end row. So 20 every time we need use. 21 we don't use. 22 separate transfer. Separate transfer. What's the separate transfer? Here automatical setting 1. 1 also is default number. You right click. 1 means 1 by 1. What's the meaning? 1 by 1, what's the meaning? So this is for transferring. Here, this line, this row, I put 110 in the 1 row. But on the machine, knitting, when I transfer, not knitting, when I transfer, they will separate 2 rows, not 1 row. 1 by 1 transfer. Like this. Here. 1 by 1 transfer. In our program, I put 1 line, but on the machine, actually use 2 times finish transfer. Understand or not? 22 separate transfer.
Yes.
Repeat again, please.
22. Number 1 is default number. No need use setting. But you need to understand 1 means what? 1 means 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means what? When I put transferring color in the 1 line, but on the machine, actually 1 by 1 transfer.
Yes. Two transfer.
2 times
But
transfer.
but there are separate, right?
Yeah. 23 also is default number, sinker. No need you change. Don't change. 1, 2, don't change. Number 4, we don't use. From number 5, or not number 4. From 24, we don't use. 25 to 29 is used for com. So later, we will study. So
Okay.
important is 7 density. For any program, you must set in density, speed, batching, sub-batching, sub-batching switch. This you must setting every time. Yeah, feeder 15, you also every time setting. And mark, every time you need put. Understand? Last one, shaker. Shaker is very important. Totally 6 column. Totally 6 column. So 1 by 1 introduce. What's the meaning? First column means rocking direction.
Working direction.
Second column, needle. Yeah. First column, rocking direction. 0 means right. So means rocking go right. If I put 1, means rocking go left.
Yes.
Second column means rocking needle. Rocking can move how many needle? This is needle. Third column, rocking position. 0 means needle to sinker. 1 means needle to needle. You need to write down. Fourth column, rocking cross point.